Terrain Conditioner was the last addition to the Element series back in 2019. This conditioner is the highest viscosity Kegel conditioner and helps to create the most side-to-side ball motion in Kegel's line of conditioners. Terrain is also the very first non-Newtonian lane conditioner and is also one of my favorites. Terrain features shear-thinning, non-Newtonian chemical technology, which responds differently to each individual bowler. The result is a single lane conditioner that is more forgiving to a wider range of bowlers. Terrain conditioner also features the same polymer that is used in current conditioner, but in a higher amount, which results in a higher viscosity, increased amount of ball motion, and improved bowling ball drive through the pins. The viscosity of terrain conditioner is 81 centipoise, while surface tension is 23.2 dynes per centimeter. If you want to learn more about viscosity and surface tension, we have a video where Kegel's research engineer explains these terms in more detail. It is important to note that terrain conditioner cannot be used in non-sanctioned technology lane machines. Terrain allows bowlers to feel more friction within the pattern and creates a strong, arcing ball motion. Our testing shows that this conditioner also helps to reduce over-under reaction by not being as slick as some other Kegel lane conditioners. With extra friction available within the conditioner, pattern designs can be slightly wider and applied oil can be further down the lane. That being said, with the use of terrain conditioner, bowlers can potentially use smoother bowling ball surfaces, which can then lead to more durability in your patterns. For more information about terrain conditioner, visit our website. You can also request a free sample if you wish to try any of Kegel lane supplies. Lastly, if you have any questions about the conditioners or need help with your patterns, feel free to contact our tech support team.